East, we started to see that the big companies that own more than one power plant, they are focusing on building the monitoring centers related to their fleet. And what do they do in these centers? They are monitoring the performance of every plant that they have across the world. So sometimes, for example, one of our customers, they have over 15 plants, or they have over than 10 plants. I'm just giving an example. And they have different type of power generation. They have wind plant, they have solar plant, they have combined cycle plant, they have geothermal, that they are distributed across the world. How these executives and how this management of this company, or the asset performance or the asset management team, how they need to monitor all the plants together by building a centralized monitoring center that they can connect all these plants together. And ITAPRO is helping these customers in order to achieve this goal. How we are doing this? We are implementing the centralized ITAPRO, the main server and the HQ, or wherever the customer needs this centralized or the monitoring center to be. And we are connecting each ITAPRO system from these plants to this main ITAPRO server. And in this case, let's say the management is sitting in one country, they can get access to all plants, to each and every plant that they have, and check how this plant is performing and what's going right and what's going wrong in this plant, and what they need to change or what they need to plan in terms of maintenance for any plant that they have across the world, by sitting only in this office and monitoring everything. And here we're talking about the real-time data. We're not talking about some historian. So we're talking about what's happening in the plant now and what can happen in the future by doing some forecasting as well.